Welcome to today's YouTube video, where we'll take you behind the scenes into the world of a maintenance engineer at a hotel. Have you ever been curious about what it's like to be responsible for keeping a hotel running smoothly and ensuring guest comfort? Well, today, we'll delve into the job functions, training, advancement opportunities, and review the daily tasks of a maintenance engineer. Let's start by exploring the crucial job functions of a maintenance engineer. In the hospitality industry, these professionals are the unsung heroes. They are responsible for the maintenance, repair, and upkeep of the hotel's physical infrastructure, ensuring everything functions efficiently and safely. One of the primary roles of a maintenance engineer is to address guest requests and concerns promptly. Whether it's a malfunctioning air conditioner, a leaky faucet, or a broken TV, these professionals spring into action to resolve issues and ensure a comfortable stay for guests. Maintenance engineers are also responsible for performing preventive maintenance on various hotel systems and equipment. This includes inspecting and servicing HVAC systems, electrical systems, plumbing, and more. By staying proactive, they help prevent potential breakdowns that could disrupt guests' experiences. Now, let's discuss the training required for this vital role. Maintenance engineers typically have a background in mechanical or electrical engineering, although practical experience can also be valuable. Many start as maintenance technicians and work their way up through hands-on experience. Training often includes learning how to operate and maintain complex systems, such as HVAC units, boilers, and elevators. Engineers must also understand safety protocols and procedures to ensure they and their colleagues work safely. In addition to technical skills, communication and problem-solving skills are essential for maintenance engineers. They need to interact with hotel staff and guests professionally and address issues efficiently. Now, let's talk about advancement opportunities. The path to advancement for maintenance engineers can vary depending on experience and the size of the hotel. Some may become lead engineers, overseeing a team of technicians, while others may advance to positions like director of engineering, responsible for the entire maintenance department. As engineers gain more experience and expertise, they may also have opportunities to work in larger or more prestigious hotels or even transition into facility management roles outside of the hospitality industry. Finally, let's review the daily tasks of a maintenance engineer. Their day often begins with a review of work orders and guest requests. They prioritize tasks based on urgency and start troubleshooting and repairs. They may work on plumbing issues, electrical problems, HVAC maintenance, or even cosmetic repairs. Engineers also perform routine inspections to identify potential problems before they escalate. They collaborate with other hotel departments to ensure that all systems are functioning correctly and provide assistance during emergencies. In conclusion, being a maintenance engineer at a hotel is a challenging but essential role that contributes to the overall guest experience. It requires technical expertise, strong problem-solving skills, and a commitment to maintaining a safe and comfortable environment. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of what it's like to be a maintenance engineer at a hotel. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into various careers and industries. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences as a maintenance engineer, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep the hotel running smoothly, one repair at a time.